Hello, dear viewers. We are going to reset Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus 5G. So we how to do? We press volume down and power on off. Continue. For just phone is going to off and restarting. And after we change the power down, just going to power up. So is going to restart and we change will be change. So when it will be restart, now we are going to change. We make power up and always volume just power up. So now is hard reset is system. So we are going to flash factory reset everything and we make okay confirmation. So it will be reset automatically. Thank you very much for view our new video. Bye.